Hey everybody, today is Thursday, May 14th. We are going to be doing some relative dating practice today. In the last lesson you had, you learned about all the different relative dating and its different principles. And so today you're going to get the chance to practice dating rock layers and using the principles from the lesson that you learned on Tuesday and apply them here today. So there's 4 different tasks today that you have to kind of work through. The first task is to be completing these 3 examples. If you click here, it will bring you to a PDF. This PDF here has the 3 examples that you need to work through that count as your 8 points for classwork. You'll then take your answers and transfer them onto here where it says example 1, 2, and 3. And again, I just want you to make note that you're starting with the oldest layer and then working your way to the youngest layer. So you're looking at the bottom and working your way to the top. Once you have completed those 3 examples, you'll scroll down, you'll see task 2 has the option you can check your answers with an answer key, or for task 3, if you're really struggling and you need some verbal directions on how we got the answers that we got, you can watch a video that Mrs. Mealy created where she kind of walks you through how you apply the principles and how we arrived at our answers. Once you're done with that, the last 2 points to earn a total 10 points for today's classwork is you click here where it says example. You'll be completing a Google form and you just have one example that you need to complete to get credit. It's this one here. So this is the image you'll be working off of, and then you'll record your answers from oldest to youngest. And you can separate your letters with either a comma, a dash mark, but just make sure you're not using spaces. And then you'll submit this via Google Classroom, and then you also have to submit this worksheet via Google Classroom because we need to see that these examples are being completed. So there's 2 things that you need to turn in to get full credit for today's lesson. It's this document and then the Google form. So if you're having any questions or you're struggling, please just email your teachers. We are more than happy to set up a time to communicate with you, and hope everything goes well, and we will be touching base again soon.